In this video, I want to demonstrate how to mirror my current sheet metal body so it's also mirrored on this side and join the parts. To do that, I'm going to need to select this face as my mirror plane. So I'll pre-select the face, then in the features ribbon I'll select mirror so it sees the face as the mirror plane. I'm going to go to bodies to mirror and I'll select my body and I'll make sure the merge result or merge solids is on. I'll say OK. And now I've mirrored that and it's joined into one solid sheet metal body. If I go back to the sheet metal and I flattened it, we can see how it flattens, and I'll just fold it up again. And I'll fit it isometrically and I'll save my part. Next, I realize after I've mirrored it, I want two more of these bridge lances along this side. So I'm going to come back to prior to my mirror. I'm going to right click and I'm going to roll it back to the previous state. And then I'll select the bridge lance. And I'll come back to features and I'll tell I want a linear pattern. The edge, any one of these edges will do. I'll select this edge. It's going in the correct direction. I'm going to use spacing and instances. I just want 3 instances at a spacing of 1.5. The preview looks good. I'll accept this. And then I'll roll this back down. And you'll notice both sides have the 3 instances.